Since the last few days when I opened up Command Prompt with administrative privileges, the scroll bar wasn't showing up. It's usually there on the right-hand side. I researched a bit and found out the underlying cause as well as the solution. The problem was far more common than I had initially anticipated. Now, all you have to do is right-click on the title bar and select Properties. Then, under Screen Buffer Size, increase the height by entering a higher number, say 1000 or 1500. Finally, click OK to save the changes and the scroll bar will immediately show up on the right in Command Prompt. You can now scroll all the way due to the bottom and back up, just like you do in other applications. Frankly, I am yet to figure out what triggered the issue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.